Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about taking care of unfinished business. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. Do you have any unfinished business to attend to? Because I think a lot of people tend to leave things undone. You have big plans, you think something's going to happen, you're going to finally do something, make it up, but we all tend to have a list. I'm guilty too. There's things that you have some unfinished business to attend to. Well, what if you actually focus in and get those unfinished things done? What if you finally carve the time out to look at it and say, let's get this done and let's get it done now? An interesting thing happens when you focus in and start to work on that list. Maybe you decide you're no longer interested and you don't need to do that exact thing anymore. Well, that's good. Rather than it being an open loop and kind of being a brain drain and an energy drain, you simply say, it's done, it's off my list. That's a good thing. Or you'll actually sit there and get it done. What have you been procrastinating about? What have you not done? Write them out. Give me the top 3 things, and then I challenge you to do them. Do those 3 things. Watch what happens. You'll be so much happier when you actually get things done. Why am I thinking of this now? This house behind me, I'm in Natchez, Mississippi. It's an unfinished house, beautiful house, octagonal, goes up many stories, unfinished. They only ever finished the main floor and then ran out of money, ran out of time, died, and it never happened. So this great dream and this beautiful property never quite come to full fruition because there's unfinished business to attend to. And we all do that exactly in our lives. Yes, it's cheesy, but it's the perfect metaphor, right? For things that aren't done. So if you have unfinished business to attend to, let's get it done and get it done now. That's my quick tip for the day. Just get it done. Attend to your unfinished business. For Traction Real Estate Mentors from Natchez, Mississippi, it's Tom ZEEB'S signing off.
But they paused it.
Why?
Pause it.
Why?
They paused
That you know you need to attend to. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. Take it rolling.
Take it.